So I have completed my most recent project, which is to get a AI that learns. And I have created the Cracker Barrel game, or the peg game. And the point of the game is to try to jump pegs and leave one peg remaining. That's the ultimate goal. And I have it slowed down so you can see the AI that I have right now. It's playing. It left 4. It plays again and it left 4. Plays again and it left 4. More than that, it's like 6. Okay, there's 4. So the AI is going to play and kind of try things out and eventually learn what is a good move at a certain time. So I'm going to, because it might take a while, I'm going to speed this up. So this is it, and then I have this, go to the terminal window. This is the number of pegs left. Okay, so probably if you've ever played before, you're probably around 3 or 4. Occasionally you can get lucky and get 2, but 1's really hard to get. So the AI here is going to keep playing, and eventually what's going to happen is you're going to see a 1 pop up, which is kind of up to chance when it comes up. Sometimes it takes 10 seconds and it's gone as many as 4 minutes before that first 1 comes up. So there it comes. So then when you get that first 1, it doesn't always happen that quickly, but after the first 1 usually comes another string of 1s, and then to eventually the AI has figured out how to play. I don't know how many games that was, but you can see playing it now. If I slow it down. All right, so this is it playing. The purple dot is what is selected. That's the one that's jumping. Okay, so that's how it works. Or that is it working. That's not how it works. That is it working. My goal now is to create some videos on how I did this. So the first one will be creating the Cracker Barrel game, and like getting a user to play, which was a lot easier. And then after that, it will go into how to get an AI, and then finally how to get the AI to actually get better and win the game, learn how to win the game. So that's the goal. I have to go back through my code. You can see I didn't use a ton of classes, but I think a lot of the stuff is not needed. So I'm going to go in there and thin it out some, and then I will post some videos on how I was able to do it. Hope you enjoyed it, and you'll be seeing the videos of how to do it soon.